In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you finished, hit Google. Now select Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. If you want to make them visible, you need to select this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Now you need to input your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!